Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Verma. Today we are making an all-time favorite stuffed Bhavnagri chilies but with a little twist. I hope you enjoy this recipe. We've got Bhavnagri chilies. These chilies aren't too spicy, they're good to eat, and which we've slit and removed the seeds of. We've got some regular processed cheese and some paneer. To our paneer, we're adding the processed cheese, some salt to taste. Cheese is quite salty, so don't add too much, and some pepper to taste. You could even add some herbs, fresh or dried, to change the flavor. Just gonna give this a quick mix. Our slit chilies, we're just going to fill this in. To cook our chilies, I've got a pan on. I'm just brushing a little oil and placing my chilies to cook. We cook the chilies on both sides until they are little brown. Our chilies are ready and we're going to serve these. So I'm just placing them on my plate. So these are our Bhavnagri chilies which have been stuffed with a little twist. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching.